Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add users to your Google Business Profile in 2026. Adding users allows trusted team members to help manage your business profile without sharing your personal Google account. First, sign in to your Google Business Profile account using your web browser. If you manage multiple businesses, choose the profile you want to update. From the dashboard, click *Business Profile Settings ***, then select *People and Access ***. Here you'll see everyone who currently has access to your business profile. Now click Add ** or Invite User **. Enter the Gmail address of the person you want to add. Make sure you use the correct email address because the invitation will be sent to that Google account. Next, choose the appropriate access level. For most team members, **Manager **Access is enough because it allows them to update business information, respond to reviews, upload photos, and create posts. Only give higher-level access to someone you completely trust. After selecting the role, click *invite ** or Send Invitation. The user will receive an email invitation. Once they accept it, they'll be able to manage the business profile according to the permissions you've assigned. You can return to the *People and Access * section anytime to change a user's role or remove their access if needed. That's it. Your team can now help manage your Google Business Profile safely and efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our other Google Business Profile guides. Thanks for watching.